There it is again. There it is again. Now, it told me the ISS was coming by again, and I've already gotten it earlier tonight. And how can it be coming exactly in the same spot? I'm not moving. That little jerk was not me. That jerk was not me. I'm a different kind of jerk. That, not me. Just trying to focus on it. That jerking is not me. That's not me. That jerking back and forth is not me. Why is it disappearing? Where the heck is it? It just completely disappeared on the sky. It's gone. It's a fairly clear sky, only about a 10% cloud cover. Where did it go? Where did it go? It just disappeared. It's gone. Nowhere to be seen. Alright, well, there you have it. But I was reminded that an ISS is coming by.